introduce tapos kung ano yung plano nyo, ano yung nasa isip, sabihin nyo na dito. Okay. Oh. Tapos bahala na si MC magkasama na natin programa. Sige, MC natin. Okay. Simulan ko na. So, by the power vested in me as a president or chartered president of Nicasia United Filipinas Eagles Club under the Fraternal Order of Eagles, Philippine Eagles, I hereby declare General Membership Meeting commence.